It is unlikely that digital marketing will be completely replaced by AI. AI can certainly enhance and optimize digital marketing strategies, but it cannot replace the creativity, intuition, and human touch that is required for effective marketing. AI can be used in digital marketing for tasks such as analyzing consumer data, personalizing content and ads, and automating certain aspects of the marketing process. However, it still requires human input to set goals, define the target audience, create content, and interpret the data generated by AI. Furthermore, digital marketing is not just about technology or data analysis. It is also about understanding human behavior and emotions and creating connections with customers. This requires a level of empathy and emotional intelligence that AI is not yet capable of. In summary, while AI can improve and optimize digital marketing efforts, it cannot replace the creativity, intuition, and human touch that is necessary for effective marketing.
Strategic. These big picture key performance indicators monitor organizational goals. Operational. These KPIs typically measure performance in a shorter time frame and are focused on organizational processes and efficiencies. Functional unit. Many key performance indicators are tied to specific functions, such finance or IT.
With so much data, it can be tempting to measure everything, or at least things that are easiest to measure. However, you need to be sure you're measuring only the key performance indicators that will help you reach your business goals.
KPI update. With so much data, it can be tempting to measure everything, or at least things that are easiest to measure. However, you need to be sure your
Gross profit is the difference between a company's total revenue and its total cost of goods sold. Net profit is the amount of money your business earns after deducting all operating, interest, and tax expenses over a given period of time. A company's operating profit is its total earnings from its core business functions for a given period, excluding the deduction of interest and taxes. These big-picture key performance indicators monitor organizational goals.